Today we are covering the topics that come after learning about the life processes. So they are divided into 5 main categories: control and coordination, reproduction, genetics and heredity, human health and diseases, and plant and animal kingdom or ecology. So each slide focuses on one idea, so explained clearly so students can understand and remember it easily. So the first category is control and coordination, explains how the nervous and endocrine systems help the body respond to its environment. The slides start with neurons, showing how signals move from dendrites to axons and then to other cells. Reflex actions like pulling a hand away from something hot are shown to explain how the spinal cord can act faster than the brain. Hormones like adrenaline, dopamine, and serotonin are included to show how they affect our heart, brain, and mood. The fight or flight response is also explained, showing how the body becomes alert in dangerous situations. Other slides cover multitasking in the brain, the endocrine system, the pituitary gland, and the master gland. Homeostasis for keeping body temperature stable, and melatonin's role in sleep. These slides teach how the body coordinates different systems to stay balanced and respond to changes. So the second category, reproduction, includes slides about asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is shown through plant cuttings, where one plant grows into a new one. Budding in hydra and binary fission in bacteria are also explained. So sexual reproduction is covered with slides about sperm and egg fusion, fertilization, and pollination in plants. There are slides about parthenogenesis, female-only reproduction, and cloning in some species, showing the variety of ways life can continue. A slide about a seed growing into a tree demonstrates how small beginnings can lead to large results. These slides show how reproduction allows life to continue and create diversity. And the third category is genetics and heredity. Explains how traits are passed from parents to offspring. Mendel's P experiments are used to show dominant and recessive traits. Punnett squares are included to calculate the chances of traits appearing in children. The structure of DNA is explained as a blueprint of life. Other slides cover mutations, which are small changes in DNA that can have big effects, and crossing over in meiosis, which increases diversity. Human trait diversity like eye and hair color is also included. These slides help students understand how traits are inherited and why organisms look different. The fourth category, human health and diseases, teaches how the body protects itself and stays healthy. Slides explain how white blood cells fight bacteria and how vaccine help the body produce antibodies. The differences between viruses and bacteria are shown, along with how diseases can spread. Healthy versus unhealthy lifestyles are compared, including diet, exercise, and sleep. Other slides cover digestion, respiration, and circulation, explaining how food, oxygen, and blood keep the body alive. Some slides also mention natural remedies and their effects. This category helps students see the connection between biology and personal health. The fifth category, plant and animal kingdom and ecology, shows how organisms survive and interact. Slides about the adaptation use examples like camels in the desert. Photosynthesis is explained, showing how plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make food. Food chains and biodiversity are included to show how species depend on each other. Slides about pollution show its negative effects, and symbiosis like clownfish living with sea anemones shows how species help each other. Other slides cover ant colony teamwork, predators like the Venus flytrap, bird migration, and how organisms survive and thrive. So these slides explain the balance of nature and how all living things are connected. So these slides will provide a clear and organized overview of biology topics after the life processes. So each slide focuses on one idea, making it easier for students to learn and remember. So by including examples from humans, plants, and animals, the slides help students see how biology applies to real life. And these slides cover how the body works, how life continues, how traits are passed on, how we stay healthy, and how organisms survive in their environment. Together, they give a complete understanding of key biology concepts in a simple and easy to follow way. Okay, see you in the next biology session.